I'm Chris.
I'm Kristen, and we are Keto in the Country. This is your channel for a smart, healthy, whole food approach to keto.
Yes, we're finishing up our pumpkin recipes today, and this is the best one, so don't go away. So today's pumpkin recipe is a pumpkin muffin.
Yes, these muffins are perfect any time of the day.
Any time of the year, not just for Halloween or October, November, Thanksgiving.
Right.
When you normally think of pumpkin.
Yes, and what I love is that they're great any time of the day. Like, I wake up super hungry. So for me, they're awesome for breakfast because I like my coffee really sweet, and these muffins are not overly sweet.
And the texture is not that funky keto bread texture that you get sometimes.
Thank God.
I don't know if it's perfect. The texture is perfect and they are delicious.
Yes.
And we attribute the good texture to the blend of flours that we used. We've been experimenting with flours.
Yes.
So we used oat fiber in this one, as well as hazelnut flour and almond flour. So we think that the great texture that we got with this muffin recipe
it's the combination.
It's the combination of the flours. So we highly suggest that if you don't have the hazelnut flour or the oat fiber, that you get it. We'll put a link to Amazon down below. And the best thing about these muffins is they are less than
2 carbs.
Less than 2 carbs. And again, if you avoid pumpkin on keto, think again, because pumpkin is so nutritionally dense. You just can't forgo it.
Right. And I also love that pumpkin is loaded with fiber, and these muffins are a great way to get in your healthy fat. I mean, you don't have to devour bacon grease. Just put a little bit of coconut oil in these.
That's not smart keto.
No, it's not smart keto. And we really try for the most part to stay smart keto.
We do try to stay smart, and we do for the most part.
Yes, we do.
So before we get in the kitchen, we just wanted to say one thing.
We want to thank you so much to all of our subscribers, whether you're new, whether you've been with us for a while. You guys inspire us, you keep us motivated, and thank you.
Yeah, you keep us on our toes, and we do have some very loyal subscribers.
Yes.
Yeah, the people that keep turning up in the comments, we appreciate that more than anything. Okay, enough of the mushy stuff. Let's go make some pumpkin muffins. It keeps us on our toes.
I'm so sorry. We love you. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry.
So as you can see, these muffins are just gorgeous.
Yes, and super simple and super fast. You literally don't have to do those like one step at a time where you do the dry ingredients first.
You throw everything together. Just make sure your butter and your eggs are room temperature, because that you'll get a nice rise from the muffins.
Yes.
Now, Kristen has not. I made a really bad batch of muffins.
They weren't bad. They weren't. I loved them.
I think I forgot to put the sweetener. So she hasn't had the good batch of muffins. So this will be a true taste test for her. I've eaten 2, so I know exactly what they taste like, but I'll go ahead. We put cream cheese on one. Okay, you taste. We put cream cheese on one, and we melted some butter on another. You can top these with anything.
That one that I just had was with butter. It's like warm. It's so satisfying. I love that the butter gives it like an extra hint of salt because, as you know, we're salt people. But also the almonds that you put on them.
Yes.
It adds a little bit of crunch that I think that muffins just kind of need.
Yeah.
But you don't have to include them. But
I really haven't had it with the butter yet. I just thought that was a good idea. So
it is a good idea.
Oh, no, it was your idea.
Oh, last night. Yeah, she was telling me about them, and I was like,
I'm taking
butter.
credit for the butter.
Well, I was also thinking, I don't know if anybody loves cinnamon toast like I do, but if you put them like under the broiler with some melted butter and some cinnamon sugar.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, so good.
Okay,
I'm
we'll
trying
be
the
trying
cream
that.
cheese.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll take. That's good too. It makes it taste completely different. Okay.
The cream cheese is totally different. It's like having a different dessert or a different...
It tastes like dessert.
Yes, it's so creamy. Just from the cream cheese being on that, it tasted way more creamy, whereas the other one was just moist with butter. It just really absorbed it. They're just so good. I gotta go have another one.
So that's it. That's our muffin. We hope you try them. This recipe is so perfect in texture. I'm just so proud of the keto bread thing that it turned out well, that we really want you to try this one. It's definitely a winner. So if you like our recipes, if you like the idea of more healthy, smart keto recipes, please like, subscribe, hit the little bell right here so you'll get a recipe every time we put one out.
Thank you so much for joining us today. See you next time.
Bye.
Awesome. Oh my God.
Damn it. I meant to use this to hand it to you. That would be just for a giggle.
Oh my God. That is amazing.
They're really good.
Like, in all seriousness, they tasted like 2 different things. But both equally delicious. Like, I like...